that makes me feel good. It makes my heart feel good. I want to have an impact on other people, whether it's my kids, my family, friends, someone I pass in the street, a community event. I don't care what it is. I want to do something that has meaning. So I have a giver's mindset. And when you have a giver's mindset, there's no scorecard. Just putting it out there. There's no, I'll do this for you, scratch my back, I'll scratch your back. Hey, I have something for you. Oh, but by the way, I want something in return. That doesn't ever, the sentence doesn't finish, right? Just give authentically. It has a way of coming back to you. But you know what? You'll leave a great impression on people on the kind of character that you have. So try to approach things as, what can I do for others, right? Or, hey, I need a hand with this. Do you want to meet at the coffee shop? Like, sure, I'm willing to give you time, no problem. Not only if you give me some time back. I'm giving you time, period, the end. That's where it ends.